Hello, it's Patsy Lobo here extending a hearty welcome to you all to this episode of Digi Global Pan Vision.
Today's episode is sponsored by Plama Developers Limited, Mangalore.
First, the news headlines from abroad. Moga Veeras in UAE held their first family day out. Satish Chandra Shetty elected new president of Tulukota, Kuwait. Fun lovers in Dubai welcome New Year with Dhamal Ki Sham. Hear what we have in our local news. Grammy Award winner Vishwa Mohan Bhatt's Jugal Bandi with Rajasthani artists mesmerizes all. And in our entertainment bash, we have a song by Ronnie Crasta from the 6th Vincent Night and a song and a dance from the Christmas celebrations held by Pirampalli parishioners.
Plama Developers Limited, Mangalore presents Plama Icon Residential Complex having 80 apartments ranging from 5-bedroom to 2- and 3-bedroom flats built on a prime location in Bikarnakatta, Kulshekar. Facilities available: spacious visitors lounge with marble, granite flooring, 2 automated elevators, telephone with Centrix facility connection to all apartments, security, society room, recreation hall and lobby, reticulated gas connection, children play area with landscape garden, health club with gym, steam bath and sauna bath facilities, CCTV IP camera based security system provision to all apartments, firefighting system with firefighting equipment. Upcoming project Plama Mall at Bikarnakatta, Kulshekar. Contact Plama Developers Limited, SL Towers, Buns Hostel Circle, Mangalore.
News in detail. Moga Veera UAE and Association of Fishermen Community from the undivided South Kanra district working in UAE organized their first community gathering recently to familiarize themselves with the community brethren in Dubai. Moga Veer United Arab Emirates organized their first family day out at Zabil Park on Friday, December 28th. Eminent personality from the community, Lokesh V. Putran, Senior Partner, Putran Chartered Accountants, Dubai, and others participated in the event. Over 250 community brethren took part in the event. Traditional delicacies, namely mackerel curry, prawns fry, pomfret fry, sardine chili, catfish curry, were served to bring back the memories of native living. A brilliant performance was given by all groups on community skit, complete from fishing using traditional hook and net, auctioning at the jetty, and at last selling in the fish market. Manoj Acharya, a disciple of musical maestro Zakir Hussain, gave a live tabla performance for the delight of community brethren. Tulukota, Kuwait held its annual general meeting at Indian Community School, Kuwait recently to elect the new committee members for the year 2008. Satish Chandra Shetty was elected as the new president of Tulukota, Kuwait. Swarna C. Shetty was elected as the vice president, Dhiraj Shetty as the general secretary, Shanta Narayan as the joint secretary, Mark Pinto was elected as the treasurer. Yadunath Alva was elected as the internal auditor, Harish Bandari as the cultural secretary, Ramesh Kidiyur as sports secretary, Pascal Pinto as the welfare officer, and Frida Rodrigues as the public relations officer. The much acclaimed year-end Hindi extravaganza took place in the Al Masha ballroom of Daira Sheraton Hotel in Dubai, providing plenty for fun lovers to herald in the new year in style. Hindi remixes were the main attraction of the night as the 6-piece band called Music Machine from Mumbai performed at the show. It was a non-stop Bollywood-type music all the way as the fun-loving people of the city thronged the Daira Sheraton Hotel at the New Year's Eve Dhamal Ki Sham show in the Al Masa Ballroom in Dubai on Monday, December 31st night. The year-ending event, organized by Dubai's one-man event specialist Denzel Fernandez with a unique Hindi Dhamaka concept, was spread with the latest remixes by the visiting Bombay live band Music Machine. But the star of the night turned out to be the upcoming Bombay DJ Len, who played all the latest hits. Visitors from Singapore, US and India attended the event. On January 3rd night at Alva's Virasat 2008, the music lovers who thronged to witness cultural extravaganza were thrilled to see a legend in action. Grammy Award winner Vishwa Mohan Bhatt and his son Salil Bhatt rendered a Jugalbandi with Rajasthani folk artists. Dance by the Manipuri artists was the added attraction. The second day session of Dr. Mohan Alva's 5-day cultural extravaganza, Virasat, was held at Mudbidri on Thursday, January 3rd, and Desert Slide was the main attraction of the day. Grammy Award-winning artist Padma Shri Pandit Vishwa Mohan Bhatt, his son Salil Bhatt, succeeded in stealing the hearts of music lovers with their Jugalbandi with Rajasthani folk artists. While Pandit Ramkumar Mishra accompanied him on the tabla, Rajasthani artists Anwar Khan, Barkat Khan, Khadar Khan, Feroz Khan and Ghazar Khan Barna all performed on their traditional instruments. The second session of the Alvas, Virasat, began with the music and dance segment of the state of Manipur. And now it's time for us to take a break here. On the other side of the break, we have lots of entertainment programs for you, so stay tuned.
Plama Developers Limited Mangalore presents Plama Icon Residential Complex, having 80 apartments ranging from 5-bedroom to 2 and 3-bedroom flats built on a prime location in Bikarnakatta, Kulshekar. Facilities available: spacious visitors lounge with marble, granite flooring, 2 automative elevators, telephone with Centrix facility connection to all apartments, security, society room, recreation hall and lobby, reticulated gas connection, children play area with landscape garden, health club with gym, steam bath and sauna bath facilities, CCTV IP camera based security system provision to all apartments, firefighting system with firefighting equipment. Upcoming project Plama Mall at Bikarnakatta, Kulshekar. Contact Plama Developers Limited, SL Towers, Buns Hostel Circle, Mangalore.
back once again. I know you are all waiting for that melodious song from the Christmas celebrations held by Perampalli parishioners. This foot-tapping song will be followed by a mind-blowing dance performance from the same event. So here we go.
அப்படி போட 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 அசத்தி போட கண்ணாலே இப்படி போட 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 இழுக்கி போட கையாலே
ஓட புறத்திலே முட்டே இருக்கிறே ஓட கண்ணாபதி கண்ணாமுச்சே அழுதரே இந்த நட போதுமா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா இந்த நட போதுமா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா
அப்படி போட 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 அசத்தி போட கண்ணாலே இப்படி போட 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 இழுக்கி போட கையாலே உசுல நீ தொடுக்கிறிய என் அழகி என் வயசுல நீ படுத்திரிய என் மெதுவா என் கடத்துல நீ நடத்திரிய இது அதுதான் உன்னோடு கண்ணங்களே கண்ணங்களு நாட்டடுப்பை என்னோடு காட்டு மத்தன் செல்லங்கடி நீ கடிக்க இந்த வயசு போதுமா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா இந்த வயசு போதுமா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா இந்த வயசு போதுமா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா
அப்படி போட 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 அசத்தி போட
கண்ணாலே
போட 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 திருப்பி போட கையால
Come on, see my steps. வக்க வக்கர கனவு வைக்கிறிய நீ மெதுவா வக்கடிக்கிற நினைக்கிறிய நீ என்ன தான் வத்து வைக்கிற வதங்க வைக்கிறிய இது சரிதானா
வைக்கிற தவக்க வைக்கிறியே ஜோரா தக்க வைக்கிற சொல்ல தக்கிறியே நிழலா தக்க வைக்கிற பதற வைக்கிறியே இது சரிதானா
வச்ச பாறை நெஞ்சுக்குள்ள ஊசி நூலும் கொட்டு தடி கத்தி வந்து சுத்திலல்ல பத்தி நிலவு தர்க்கிதடி
ஓட நானு வரேனே என்ன பேசிக்கிட்டா உன்னோட சேர்ந்து வரே இந்த ஆட்ட போதுமா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா இந்த ஆட்ட போதுமா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா இந்த ஆட்ட போதுமா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா
போட 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 அசத்தி போட கண்ணாலே இப்படி போட 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 விக்கி போட கையாலே
உன்னோட ஊரத்திலே முட்டே இருக்கிறே உன்னோட கண்ணாபதி கண்ணாமுச்சே ஆடுதரே இந்த நட போதுமா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா இந்த நட போதுமா